my name is Ori, and today we're gonna do this makeup. Dear Pretty Makeup. So there's a lot of things going on with this animal face type recently, so I decided to do a series where I will do a lot of animal face types. So let's start. So I already have my CC cream and concealer. The next step is a blush. I'm using this Moist Ampoule Blusher by her. I really love the formula of this product. I use it literally all over my cheeks. From here to here. The blush here is to just add a bit of color to your face. So we're done with blush. The next is setting powder. Honestly, this is my favorite product because it's a purple blush. Look at the difference. And the most interesting thing that I've never seen a one video of this product anywhere. It's a game-changing product, honestly. This is what we're getting. Now contour. For contour, we need to use a lot on our nails because if you look at the deer, it has like really pretty nose. So for this makeup, it's really, the nose contour is so important. We need to use a lot on this area. And just do your everyday nose contour as usual. But the main point here is this thing. It looks kind of weird right now, but trust the process. It will blend in with the rest of the makeup. So now I'm doing my everyday contour. It's my lips and my face. I really love to do this thing. Just look straight in the mirror and do this thing. It really helps a lot, especially if you do a lot of photos. It will help you a lot. Also, here, another important place, do this movement. Cheekbone. Another moment, just slightly go with your brush over your contour and really quickly, so it won't like leave a spot on your face, do this movement. And the last thing, my camera is too low I guess, and add here. In this video I will use brown shades to do eye makeup, and I've already done a Dear Pretty makeup on my Instagram for my reels. I filmed a video where I used black so you can use literally any color you want, even like dark purple, whatever you want, whatever you feel like, because it's just a scheme that you can do with any color. So you're starting. I'm using this, I broke it, so never mind. So this color here, I was doing my makeup and I didn't notice that the camera was not filming. You need to be as close to your lash line as you can, and here as well, and blend it. It has to look like this. Now we need this type of brush. So, and now apply the same color to your upper lash line. On the lower lash line, you need to add only here, in the inner corner, and here. You don't add anything in the center. Now quickly go to blend it, and you see it added more depth to our eyes. Using the same color once again, paint a straight line here. Also draw a line above the lashes. Blend once again, very slightly,
Blend just in the area we applied the shade. Don't spread it all over the lid.
The next brush is this little one because we need to use concealer. It's so hot here. So I'm using the cyan. I'm not sure how to call it. So I'm using this cyan concealer. It has such a pretty packaging. Take a little bit of concealer, then on your hand, and add in the corner. And draw a line here. Use the same brush you were applying your shadow and just
Slightly tap to blend it.
one more thing, we need to paint smileys. I'm doing it only in the center, like this. And once again blend it very slightly. And go here. That's what we're getting. Looks amazing. Now we will do our eyeliner. We need to do our eyeliner downward. You see our natural line here? We just need to follow it. So this is how it looks. Complements this eye makeup so much. So let's do the other eye. By the way, this is my favorite eyeliner ever because it has 9 grams of product. Because recently I bought an eyeliner and it had not even 1 gram of product, and I really loved it, but I literally used it, I guess, in a week or 2. Like, I don't like this type of product, so I never bought it again. But this one, amazing. Okay, this is our eyeliner. Do you see? This is how it looks. Okay, the next thing we have, it's just mascara. I really love to emphasize these lashes to make them longer and fuller. Okay. Lower lashes. Emphasis should be on this part. Maybe a little bit here so it will look fuller. Do you see the effect this eye makeup gives you? I'm in love with this makeup. I've been doing it for so long now. I really wanted to perfect this makeup for a video so I can share it with you. But I guess, oh my god, I love it so much. Do you see the effect? Amazing. Now, eyebrows. Because we did our eyes so big, like, I really love to elongate my eyebrows, and I don't do this for this makeup. I just do my eyebrows look like more straight for this makeup. So let's do this. This is also my favorite product, but for brows. It has literally a lot of things to use. This pencil, a brush, and look at this. You can fill in your eyebrows with this, like marker. Amazing product. I kind of want to elongate my eyebrows now. It kind of looks good from this side, right? But from here I want to, like, a bit. Okay, it's up to you whether you want or not to elongate the eyebrows, but I think I will just a little bit. Yes. What are we gonna do? Just a little bit. Look, it literally changed everything. Okay, we need to elongate the eyebrows for this makeup. So, we're almost done. For the lips, I like to use a lot of different products and it's always different. I have a few favorite lipsticks and I'm gonna share it with you. Wait a minute. My favorites lately, lipstick by Etude House. It's over glowy in the shade Pink Stone. Amazing product. And this one by Unleasha in the third color, Neon Guava. It's really bright, but I think I'll go with this one. I literally wanna buy this lipstick in every color they have because it's so good. By the way, you can do it or you can skip it, but I love to do a little bit of contour on my lips. So I'm painting here like this, then straight line here and under like this. Amazing. Just blend it quickly. The first layer, you just fill your lips very chaotically. This gives your lips a filler effect. Look at this color. I'm using once again to make them more glossy and to use the color because this is very beautiful lipstick. Look at this color. I have a lot of lipsticks right now, but I guess this is in top 3. This is so good. Okay. This is the makeup. By the way, one more thing is highlighter. It's really important for any makeup. A bit more. You see? This is a new highlighter that I bought recently. I love it so much. So this is the ready makeup. Let me show you these beautiful shots.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me here and on Instagram for more beauty inspo. See you next time.